Alright, I got a STIHL MS440. It's going to ship with this 24-inch bar, no chain. This here's 20-inch bar, brand new chain. Almost brand new bar. Maybe it is a brand new bar. This was an auction item, one of the saws I picked up in a group of 10. So I'm going to start it up for you. And I've done nothing to it other than wipe it down. And that's about it. And put the bar and chain on there. And let's see what she does here. Bear with me a second. Okay, it may need some carburetor adjustment, depends on where it goes. Right now it's about 65 degrees where I'm at. If it goes up north, it's probably going to need a little adjustment. I always run them just a tad bit rich. Oiling good. I can see the gleam off the chain there. But this is how I got it. Came from a city government, and it's, you know, it's got the markings on it and all that. But other than that, it runs good.